Leash, it's Jenny from I Spy DIY, and I know how much of a dog lover you are. I am too. I have a rescue puppy named Griffin, and my husband has a 100-pound Bernese Mountain Dog. And I wanted to share with you a couple of puppy projects that we'll be putting in the house. A leash holder and a treat container. So what you're gonna need for this project is a slice of wood. You can get this at the craft store. Double hooks, paint pen, and a pen or pencil. To start by tracing your dog's face, you can either freehand this or you can find an outline online and use that as a guide. Use a paint pen to fill it in. The next step is to add the hooks. I like to do the double hook because it looks like the snout, and you just connect it by using your drill and some screws. All you have to do is mount it to the wall and you have a perfect place to hang your leashes before every walk. Now the next project is a treat holder. You're gonna need these plastic bones. You're gonna start by spray painting the bones gold. You're gonna wanna do this outside in a well-ventilated area, and then we're gonna super glue it to the top of your canister. I have this one done already. Perfect. And then next we're gonna wanna personalize it with the stickers. We got Griffin's all done, and now we just have to make one for you, Big Poppy, right? I hope you guys do these projects. See you later, Reach. Okay, guys, now let's go for a walk.
Thank you, Jenny. And as a Red Sox fan, I have to say the Big Poppy jar is really, really cute, too. Don't hate me. My husband is a Yankee fan. It's tough to be a New Yorker and like the Red Sox, but I have to say I love both of those ideas. Please keep all your great ideas coming to our show. You guys are our favorite producers.